Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to solve a numerical problem to show how we can find the support reactions of a simply supported beam with uniformly distributed load in less than 5 seconds. So it's a very easy trick, or you can say a tip. So how you will find the support reaction if you have a simply supported beam, and for example you see here it is a simply supported beam because we have hinge support here at one end and we have roller support at the other end, and also there is uniformly distributed load of 5 kilonewton per meter acting at the center of the beam. Now keep in mind, when there is uniformly distributed load of 5 kilo of any magnitude acting on the beam and there is a symmetrical points here at the two ends, for example you see here 2 meter and 2 meter, there is no load acting on the beam but the load is only acting on 3 meter. In this case you can find in a very easy way the support reactions. So how? So just follow this step. You just take the load 5 kilonewton per meter, multiplying it with the distance on which it is distributed. So it is distributed on 3 meter length, 3 meter. So meter will be cancelled. We will get 15 kilonewton. So now dividing this 15 by 2. So we get here 7.5 kilonewton. So basically 7.5 kilonewton is the magnitude of the support reactions. So 7.5 will be acting here and 7.5 will be acting here to take the load. So very easy step. Now for example another beam, I consider here another beam, and let's suppose it is 10 kilonewton per meter is the load acting, and the load is distributed only on 4 meter length, for example, and this distance is same, for example 2 meter, again 2 meter here and 2 meter here. So we want to find out the support reactions here at A point and B point. This is RA, this is RB. So how to find it? So the first step is multiply this load with the distributed length. So 10 multiply 4, we got 40. Dividing it by 2, so we got 20. So 20 kilonewton. So 20 kilonewton will be divided by 2. So 20 will be acting here and 20 kilonewton will be acting here. So this is a very easy and simple way to find out the support reactions of a simply supported beam. So you should multiply the load on which is acting and on the length on which it is distributed. This should be multiplied and then dividing by 2. Why 2? Because there are two support reactions. One is acting here, one is acting here. So it should always be dividing by 2 and you will get the values of your support reactions. Keep in mind, for example, if I have a beam here and the load is acting here, for example of let's suppose 4 kilonewton per meter, and let's suppose this distance is 2 meter, this distance is 3 meter, and this distance is 4 meter. So now in this case you cannot apply the rule which I explained you here. So in this case you cannot find out the support reaction by simply multiplying this value with this value. Why? Because here the symmetry of the beam is not existing here, because here is 2 meter and here is 4 meter. It should only be possible when there is the same symmetry, for example 2 meter and 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, or 4, for example this is 3 meter, so here is also 3 meter. So in this case when there is unsymmetry of the beam, so you cannot apply the rule which I explained you here. So keep in mind that this rule is only when there is a symmetry of the beam. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.